Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. It's all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great. Sundays, I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. There's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not away. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Is all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Oh my God, I can't believe you.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Y la cosa suena ra, y la cosa suena ra. Scooby-Doo papá, y el pum pum.
Run.
Me voy a matar, te me gusta, uy, 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 me voy a matar, uy, uy.
Is there a wild animal in our house? Who did this? Did you do this?
Hey, hey, easy with your hands, buddy. Get out of there. No.
Me voy a matar, te me gusta, uy.
See. Okay, come here, dude. I finally. Okay. They say, yeah, we're ready. Okay, are you ready? Come here, dude. Okay. No, don't even freaking. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Okay. Sorry. Okay, go. We're here. Go. No! Oh my god. Hands up!
もういいよ。もう閉めないよ。あ叩かれたからって。Nothing, of course we